Another day, another story. There are several techniques available for capturing carbon dioxide, CO2, from various sources. Here are some common carbon dioxide capturing techniques. Post-combustion capture. This technique involves capturing CO2 from flue gases emitted by power plants or industrial processes after the combustion of fossil fuels. It usually employs chemical solvents, such as amines, to selectively absorb CO2 from the flue gas. Pre-combustion capture. Pre-combustion capture involves capturing CO2 from the fuel before it undergoes combustion. It is commonly used in integrated gasification combined cycle (IGCC) power plants, where the fuel is gasified to produce a syngas, mixture of hydrogen and carbon monoxide, which is then shifted to produce hydrogen and CO2. The CO2 can be separated from the hydrogen using various techniques such as pressure swing adsorption or membranes. Oxy-fuel combustion. In oxy-fuel combustion, fossil fuels are burned with pure oxygen instead of air. This creates a flue gas with a high concentration of CO2, making it easier to capture. The CO2 can be separated from the flue gas using technologies such as absorption or adsorption. Direct air capture. Direct air capture, DAC, involves capturing CO2 directly from the ambient air. This technique uses various sorbents or solvents to selectively adsorb or absorb CO2 from the air. The captured CO2 can then be concentrated and stored or utilized. Biological capture. Biological capture utilizes biological systems such as algae or bacteria to capture and convert CO2 into biomass or other products. Algae-based systems, for example, can absorb CO2 during photosynthesis and convert it into biomass, which can be further processed for various applications. Mineralization. Mineralization involves capturing CO2 and reacting it with minerals or industrial byproducts to form stable carbonates. This process converts CO2 into a solid form, which can be stored or used in applications such as construction materials. These are some of the commonly used carbon dioxide capturing techniques, each with its own advantages and limitations. The choice of technique depends on factors such as the emission source, CO2 concentration, energy requirements, and economic viability.